Hi everyone, see this video up to last moment and call us for more details and guidance. Khelo India Fitness Test. All tests together we will see in this video, and that test we will see the application Khelo India Fitness Assessment application. I will show on this mobile. Now here you can see the tech test. Go on the test. Here are 7 type of test: balance, BMI, flexibility, coordination, speed and strength. Now we will see the balance. The display will come. It is direct test you can take on it. When you can, after the test you can enter the student's player ID, otherwise scan their iCard. Now another students you can take it flamingo pose. Now you will see the one of the video that in that video flamingo pose is there. Now the one of the girls, boys will stand on the square box, rectangle box, rectangle box, and they will do the flamingo pose. Now next video we will see this pose, and after the counting you have to, before the submitting, you scan the ID card. Now we will see the BMI. The BMI, the sport teacher only need to take their students height and weight, and you have to save the data. Automatically you will get the BMI on the report card. Now next, flexibility. In the flexibility, the one test is there, sit and reach. Sit and reach test is there. Now this test is very simple, and they have to sit down and do the sit and reach in how much times. You have to count only their sit and reach and start the test. You have again another test is there, coordination test. In coordination there is a plate tapping test. It is for the first to third students, not for the higher students, third onwards. And plate tapping also counted, doing like this. Now next, speed. In the speed, the maximum students, how many students will stand on the line, select the total lines, and in their lanes, the start button you start. Then when the students will come first, second, third, their time will become automatically, and in front of their lane you have to scan their ID card. If you are scan their ID cards, then automatically all the students report will submitted on this app. Now next test, dash run in the speed. Now strengths. In the strength there are partial curl-ups and push-ups. Partial curl-ups in 30 seconds. How many students are doing the partial curl-ups? When the test will start, that time in 30 seconds the partial curl-ups will counted and put the partial curl-ups in the test. Now save the data. After the partial curl-ups, same like this, push-ups also there, and last test 600 meter running. In that running, how many students stand on the lane, that lane number of students you have to select. On first 5 students selected, and when you will start the 600 meter running race, that time when the students will come, only split the time. When you are doing the split on the time, that time automatically the students' rank and their speed will be calculated in this app, and this data, once you save it, then their result will get automatically. And in this test, no need to blow the whistle, no need to tell the student start. Once you blow the whistle, the test will automatically start on the mobile. This is the 600-meter running race, and this test is very simple, and PET teacher will take the record. No need to maintain the record. Automatically this app will maintain the records, and first term and second term you will get the report cards. Now you can scan the ensure and save the data. 600-meter running race now over in a straight. This type of test you can take it through the Khelo India Fitness Assessment app. You can see your class progress in completed test students report. Now in completed students report you can view it and take their test, and through this data you can upload their report cards. Once you save their data, then in second term and first term you will get the report cards. It is very simple method you can take on the ground through this app, and once if you want to Excel sheet, you can download from this Khelo India website. Through the mobile you can do the only practical. How we will and see this. This is the flamingo pose, and this pose and test for the grade 1st to 3rd for the balance. See the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's speech on Fit India test and importance of technology.
समय कैसे बदला है उसका एक उदाहरण मैं आपको देता हूं। कुछ दशक तक पहले तक एक सामान्य व्यक्ति एक दिन में 8-10 किलोमीटर पैदल चल लेता था, कुछ एक आध घंटे भर साइकिल चला लेता था, कभी बस पकड़ने के लिए भागता था। यानी जीवन में शारीरिक गतिविधि सहज हुआ करती थी। फिर धीरे धीरे टेक्नोलॉजी बदली, आधुनिक साधन आए और व्यक्ति का पैदल चलना कम हो गया, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कम हो गई। और अब स्थिति क्या है? टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमारी ये हालत कर दी है कि हम चलते कम है, और वही टेक्नोलॉजी हमें गिन गिन के बताती है कि आज आप इतने स्टेप्स चले, अभी 5000 स्टेप नहीं हुए, 2000 स्टेप नहीं हुए, और हम मोबाइल देखते रहते हैं।